These aren't just any turkeys. Wait until you see the scale. We're starting with thousands of birds daily. Do you know how fast these scale to perfection?
The transformation is wild.
One mistake ruins hours of work. Here's how they prevent it.
Nothing burns.
Where do millions of turkeys come from?
All right, lift steady now. Watch the clearance on your left.
Steady now, watch the clearance on your left.
Easy, easy. We're good.
Now the cleaning begins, and it's intense. This wash cycle removes everything: feathers, bacteria, debris.
Taking it up to 55 now. Reading steady at 55 PSI. Where does all this water go?
The drying happens in seconds, not minutes.
How much water do you think they recycle daily?
Now comes the sorting, and it's where the real precision begins.
Every turkey gets graded by size and quality. Nothing random here.
What happens if metal gets through?
Nothing goes to waste. Even rejected birds are repurposed.
How many birds does each worker evaluate per hour? Premium hopper is almost full. Okay, Day, diverting the flow now.
This single bird represents thousands. Every detail matters.
Breast width at 92 millimeters. Elasticity check confirms quality.
Recording. Approved.
Now the magic happens. Inside a chamber that reaches 400 degrees.
How do they keep every turkey roasting at exactly the same speed?
Every spit rotates at exactly 2 revolutions per minute. No variation.
Why does cooling matter as much as roasting?
expulsings. Now comes the final touch, perfecting the presentation. Every detail is checked twice before packaging begins.
How do they maintain color consistency across millions of birds?
Now the turkey goes into a custom package designed for perfect presentation.
Need a little more padding on the left side there. Got it. Looks good now.
What information gets encoded on each package?
It includes the production batch, roasting date, weight, and quality grade.
These turkeys can stay fresh for weeks in cold storage, ready to ship anywhere.
Is this pallet cleared for loading?
Hold on, cross-referencing the manifest now? Yes, it's good to go. How many turkeys fit in a single truck? Back it up steady, watch your clearance. Slow it down now. Hold it. Looks good, clear.
This single truck carries thousands of roasted turkeys across the country.
See you tomorrow. Yeah, drive safe. What happens when they open that package one final time?
From thousands of raw birds to perfectly roasted turkey, this is the scale of precision.